fine, sorry.
Welcome back, and we're gonna make a vending machine, but I didn't make it with Sophie, Junior, and Sophie.
He meant to say that.
Show the vending
I'm
machine.
gonna put this dimple in here, and I push it, and then
And then something.
then
Look,
put it back.
so put it back in.
Okay.
We're gonna
Give me
show
this.
how.
Okay, so
Just put
Okay,
it
so-
in. Put it in.
so from the back here,
There's a bag over here. So
And then you do
put
that
the
to
toy
like,
in, and
and then
you turn it.
just pretend you put money in here or something,
Let me press it.
and then
And
and then you push it.
just push it, or you just keep doing. something.
Sometimes it gets stuck.
So hold it. Okay. So when it's stuck, you can just
So you
do
do what
it,
you make? I know why you get stuck.
and then it falls.
Because look, this thing is there, and you need to put like a box around there or something.
Like you just put random toys in there. One just fell, two, and then every single one just falls. Easy. It's an easy.
And I made it out of my dad's pillow in a box. And it's $5.
Yeah,
Bro, what's this?
$5
Oh,
for each one. Like you can tell you.
Don't break it or someone slap you.
Work vending machine.
Okay, wait, hold it. I'm gonna put some fidget
Ow,
in it.
stop. Give me my toy.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Okay. I wanna get something
Oh,
out of the
fall through the
vending
bag.
machine. Okay, Junior. So put
Guys, that's not focused.
Shut up. Okay,
And
so
also don't forget.
No.
Don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to our channel and like. This is a really cool vending machine.
Okay.
She
Okay,
made
I'm a
this guy.
No, actually, I made it by myself.
No, you
You
didn't.
didn't help me.
I did help you.
No, you didn't. You never helped me because you were watching soccer with Papi and Stacy.
Hey, it's not my fault. My dad's
Okay,
saying
okay.
this, kind of.
Okay.
Look, this is very sad. Are you looking?
Okay, Junior, put some random fidgets in there, and I'm just
Here,
gonna
the
do
baby.
it. Okay, I'm just gonna.
Also, this one spins.
Alex,
So
edit this
spin
part
it.
out.
It actually spins. It's basically like a fidget spinner, like this one right there. But the ones that could just do this, you could just.
Okay, somebody put random fidgets
Oh
inside
my.
of it.
Let's go!
You put the fidget spinner.
Oh, okay.
Ordered it, which already fell. Oh yeah, I forgot.
Let's go!
No, it's not like that. You have to.
Bro, where's this
It's
cool
like
backflip?
that. Okay.
Oh, where's your ramp? The ramp for the
There's
monster
no ramp.
for the monster trucks.
Okay,
Remember?
not this one. Not this
Shut up.
Alex, the red
This
one.
one's too big. It won't fit.
Put the coin. Put the coin in.
Okay. I'm gonna put this coin in here.
Then press the button. Damn.
Let's go.
Well,
I got a yellow ball.
Yeah, that's to put money.
Alex, where's,
Yeah.
Alex, where's your red ramp?
Money.
Alex, where's your red ramp?
Money. Okay, I put in the money. Now I'm gonna push it.
Huh?
Ball.
And then look. Oh,
Bell.
I got two things. I got a mini puppet and a dimple.
You got a mini car and a like I don't know what is it called, but like
A
Mini puppet.
a mini puppet. And this. She got this. Thing is like one of those bubble thingies, and you pop them, and then you can put them back. I don't know what they're called.
Okay, so I have a panda like this too. This is my cousin's and it looks so weird. But it's not like the same. Mine is a little bit skinnier. He's gonna get something from the...
Meme. It's a meme.
Okay.
Meme.
Wait, okay. So we're going to put this inside the vending machine, and when the panda gets it, he's gonna be super mad.
Yeah, and I don't really like showing my face in videos.
Show your face, I dare you.
No.
Show your face.
Because you're crazy. Okay.
It's gonna go in the bunk bed.
Okay. I know my cousin doesn't know how to edit stuff.
I do. I don't know.
We
Neither do
we
I.
need someone to edit.
I know how to edit.
Neither do I. So just
I wish
Gina,
we could edit.
get the panda. Get the freaking panda. Get the. You're gonna be the freaking panda. Oh.
You guys like my leaf blower?
Is this?
What is that? Is that a vending machine?
Yes, it is. You need money.
You like my leaf blower?
I don't have any money.
Oh,
Sophie, show my leaf blower. Sophie,
Don't show me.
Sophie, show my leaf blower.
here, money.
Okay. $5. That's so expensive.
Sophie, show
Okay.
Sophie.
What?
Leaf blower.
4.
I want
need
a
one
sheep,
more.
bro.
Okay, I have $5.
Okay.
Place it in. 1, 2,
We don't have actual money, and we're
3,
too lazy to make fake money.
4.
So we're using bullet.
the last one.
Okay.
Press the button.
Push.
I'm gonna push it hard.
You got something. You got something.
There's a hose!
Oh, did you see that?
He just threw some.
I need the vending machine. You just shot me.
Well, oh my gosh, bullets are coming out.
Okay, we're gonna end the video here. Even when the
Thank
have
you.
bullet. You gay.
No, I'm not. I was gonna say I'm not right, but I'm not.
Oh, okay. My cousin wants to show his face.
You look
Yeah,
like that.
I look like this, and
You look like a
we're
human
gonna
being. No way.
we're gonna
That's actually
end
kinda
the
cool.
video right here. So, bye bye.
Booty cheeks.
How do I end it?
Let's go.